In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your WordPress blog using n8n and AI. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting your blogging journey, this is a powerful way to streamline your content production and enhance efficiency. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll need to open n8n, which is a flexible workflow automation tool. Start by clicking on New Workflow to set the stage for your automation. Let's name this workflow AI WordPress Blog Automation to keep things organized and readily accessible for future use. The next step is to establish how your workflow will begin. n8n provides a variety of trigger options. You can opt for a schedule trigger if you want to publish content at regular intervals, like daily or weekly. This is perfect for maintaining a steady flow of content to your audience. Alternatively, you might choose a webhook if you need to initiate the workflow as soon as article requests come in. Should you keep your ideas in a Google Sheet, a Google Sheets trigger will read those ideas, making them ready for automation. There's also the option for a form trigger to accept article requests directly from your form submissions. Lastly, if you prefer to run this workflow manually when the time seems right, a manual trigger is also available. For those seeking consistency in publishing, the schedule trigger might be your best bet. With the trigger set, let's gather some interesting and relevant blog topics. This step involves collecting topic ideas from various resources. You could use Google Search APIs to identify trending topics, or browse through RSS feeds for a wide array of updates. News APIs can also provide fresh content ideas, and platforms like Reddit are great for discovering what people are currently discussing. Don't forget to review your existing keyword lists and internal content calendars for additional inspiration. An exciting option here is to leverage an AI agent to organize your ideas efficiently and reveal any content gaps you haven't yet addressed. Now, it's time to integrate an AI agent into your workflow. By adding an AI agent node, you connect with your preferred language model to generate content. n8n supports a variety of models, so you have options like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, or Ollama at your disposal. The AI agent will craft article content based on the topics you've selected, opening a world of creative possibilities with minimal manual input. Employing this automated process not only eases the burden of content creation, but also elevates your WordPress blog by consistently delivering polished, relevant articles that engage your readers. We've reached the end of our setup journey, and with these steps, your WordPress blog can run like a well-oiled machine, allowing you to focus more on growth and strategy. Thank you for watching and happy automating.